It's Saturday, and it's Saturday, and it's raining, and I don't know what to do. I could go to the cinema, which is fucking 20 odd miles that way. But I do know one thing I'm doing today, and I'm going to Starbucks getting it. Yeah, I am. I'm going to fucking Starbucks. Woo, consumerism! Because eggnog lattes are back, and I'm obsessed with those things. Is that pumpkin? Who the fuck? Oh yeah, that's my McDonald's double cheeseburger bun. It's been there about a month and a half. I'm weird, aren't I? Yeah. They were Wotsits, like soggy, out in the rain Wotsits, and they were on both my window wipers. Why mine and nobody else's? God knows. Maybe I've got an enemy in the street. Have to keep an eye on that one. Imagine if I'd have driven off with them on there and just wiped Wotsits all over my window. Fuck's sakes. Let's see, what's new, what's new, what's new? Pigs under blanket roll. Festive feast panini. Toffee muffin. I'm gonna get pigs in blanket roll as well. Yeah, can you hear me from here? Yeah. Can I get a large eggnog latte, please?
Yeah, anything else?
Pigs in blankets.
We haven't got that in, I'm afraid. We've only got the formation.
That's okay, that'll do that. Thanks.
Okay, I'll see the next one now.
Oh no, Cartoon Network's closed down. That's news to me. Yeah, Cartoon Network closed down. Although, I'm jumping to conclusions listening to Facebook, aren't I? I have to look that up. Ah, this car is filthy! Disgusting. Thanks. Pure sugar and dairy. Good for the system. Hey Siri, how many sugars does an eggnog latte contain?
A cup of eggnog has about 20 grams of sugar.
Containing 58.2 grams of sugar, 547 calories. The eggnog latte is the worst, followed by toffee nut. Jeez. And I think I had about 15 of these last year, and may have contributed to me actually being able to put some weight on, which is hard for me to do. Okay, seeing as it's pissing it down outside and my plans have been cancelled, I thought I'd do a quick video on all my Download Festival merch from 2009 up until now. Download Festival 2009, that was my first download. I actually bought this on eBay because I didn't buy a t-shirt that year because I was being stingy and it was my first festival and I didn't know where anything was or how to do anything. So in 2010 I made up for it. I bought this in one of the t-shirt like shops, whatever. I can't remember if they're still going or not. I don't think it was like in Perican or anything, but I also got this cool Samael t-shirt. Like it. Back in 2010, when I wore this, some guy was passing me and went, "Samael, like it?" Made me laugh. We still quote that to this day, me and my friends. This, like, I got this download as well as my favourite t-shirt. It's a small, and still occasionally fitting it when I actually get some exercise, but yeah, I wear it very occasionally because I don't want it to fade too much. I usually wear it on Friday the 13th. Funny enough, I'm wearing a Friday the 13th jumper today, but this is glow in the dark. Whatever, that's not a download thing. Whoop. 2010, I didn't buy this at the time because they didn't have AC/DC on the back, and I just thought, AC/DC's not on it. But you know, I got this in on eBay again. years later. So, yeah, I almost bought a forgery, a braddy forgery at Download. They were selling for like a $5 or a $10, I think. Someone was going around, I think Brown Camp where we were staying, and but I didn't buy one because it was a fake. But I bought this on eBay years later. Anyway, next. Oh, this is out of order now, isn't it? I think. I thought I put these in order, but obviously not. So, 10th anniversary in 2012. Obviously bought a t-shirt that year. But anyway, I've skipped ahead a year now, haven't I? So let's go back one year. 2011, I made up for the fact that I hadn't bought a t-shirt so far. So I bought two. I bought this one, and I bought this one. Neither of which I like the design of that much, to be honest. But that year I bought two, and those are the two I chose. I can't remember what other ones they were selling, if any. But those were the two I bought, I guess. Yeah, kind of generic designs. I don't particularly like them ones. This one I really like. Guessing this is 2013. Slipknot, Iron Maiden, Rammstein. Yeah, I really like that one. As you can tell, because it's worn to shreds. That's the most worn one I've got. I really like this one. I think this is 2015. Ah, I just remembered. I didn't get one in 2014 because that year they had a grey one. And I wanted the grey one, but it was sold out. So I was like, I'm not buying one then. And I ended up getting none. So that one I might still hunt for on eBay. Or maybe I should just leave it. Because I've got fucking loads of Download Festival clothes. As you can see. Moving on to 2000. And I believe 15. Slipknot, Muse, Kiss. Or is that 14? I'm mixing 14 and 15 up now. That's 2015. So yeah, it was 14. I was right. 2014 was the year I couldn't get the grey t-shirt. Which I wanted for some reason. Even though I'm a black t-shirt guy, like got hundreds of t-shirts up there and they're mostly all black. So I don't know why I didn't go. I guess I wanted something different. Anyway, it's 2015, so is that. I stayed at RIP that year. I really like this one. Although if you wear RIP t-shirts at Download, sometimes you get people like booing and hissing at you, I guess, because they think that you think you're better than them or something. I don't know. Gatekeeping or whatever the kids say nowadays. 2016, I stayed at RIP again, so yes, more boos and hisses, but that was the lineup. I actually really like that one. It's a cool t-shirt. And this RIP t-shirt, which is cool. It's a shame that's on the back and not the front, but whatever. It's still a cool t-shirt. In my humble opinion, also from 2016, this is the first year I did a YouTube vlog. Well, it's not the first time I did a vlog. I did a vlog in 2009 and 10. Just didn't release them on YouTube because some of the people I was hanging out with didn't want them on YouTube. And I'd already cut the film together. Kind of hard to take them out. So yeah, I went to NXT shows, wrestling shows at Download. I think that was the first year they did it. Yeah, it was. It was the first year they had the pay-per-view on in like the cinema at night, and then they had actual NXT shows there live, so bought that. Then 2017 was the year I worked there, I think. So staff guide 2018, so would have been 2018. I'm skipping ahead a bit. So 2017 I bought this like baseball-y type thing. I don't like the sleeves on this. I didn't realise when I bought it that they weren't long enough, and I was like, I'm not going to put it back because I actually like the design of it. It's just that when you're wearing a hoodie or shirt over it, it kind of rides up. It just feels... ugh. So I pull on these when I'm putting other sleeves on, so the sleeves like stay here, otherwise they kind of ride up and it feels horrible. But anyway, I bought it. I don't wear this that much, but I do like it. It goes well with like this kind of shirt, you know, or whatever. So 2017 again, that's the lineup t-shirt from that year. Kind of like that, and yeah, I wear that quite often. Then we got 2018, I guess. Guns N' Roses, Ozzy, Avenged Sevenfold. By 2016 I was going on my own. I was staying, experimenting in different places. This would have been the year I was working there, so Marilyn Manson must be there somewhere then. Pretty sure. Yeah, Marilyn Manson on the Sunday. Wow, second to headliner. I was working during that. Yeah, so that's 2018, the year I worked at Greenpeace. 2019 now, this was gonna be my last year because I was gonna buy a house and then the pandemic happened and you know, life just gets in the way sometimes. So that's the 2019 hoodie. Love this hoodie, wear it quite a lot, try not to wash it too much, and it smells like it needs a wash too. But screw that, I ain't washing it until it really smells. The t-shirt from that year, not bad, not bad. Wish I'd have stayed for Tool instead of just watching half of them. Should have stayed for the whole thing, but that's on me, I'm an idiot. Skip then to last year, 2022, because I didn't go to the pilot, and obviously there wasn't one the year before, and I wasn't even going to go anyway. But I ended up going at the last minute. It's pretty cool. I like the design's a little bit different. The dog's a little bit, you know, cunnilingus-y. Yep, anyway, whatever. Next is my Download Festival hoodie that I bought this year. I thought this was a zipped hoodie. If you've seen my vlog, you'll hear me complaining about that. And I was like, oh, I'm going to replace it for a zip hoodie. But they don't have one. And I'm completely fine with this. Don't think this has been in the wash yet either, but I only wear it around the house like at the moment. So this is from 2010 when I met Steel Panther. My friend won a contest and he chose me to go backstage with him. I think I probably mentioned in my videos at some point. I bought these this year as well at one of the shops. Evil Eye Art on Instagram. They got loads of designs and stuff. I think you can order from their website and stuff, so yeah, that's pretty cool. There's the map from one year. My I even got this out. Why did I get that out? I got that in 2010 and for some reason I kept it. It was one of the people we were hanging out with. I'm going to lean down now for my... and fuck up my knees completely because I'm almost 40. Yeah, whatever. So, yeah, there's the programs. My A to Z of staff guide, frequently asked questions. This basically has the maps and everything on it. Full style map. Oh, cool, man. I need to have a proper look through this. This is fucking cool. I should probably take these out and maybe in my media room I'll make some kind of Download Festival collage. I don't know. Obviously, staff parking that year, car pass. The year I had 50 quid in loyalty vouchers, that would have been 2016. There's tickets to other gigs here. Frankie Boyle, Blink-182, they've dampened them. What are they doing there? Anyway, whatever. All my wristbands and tickets are in here. So, all my tickets from years gone by. God, tickets are shot up in price, haven't they? Look, £135 for Download Festival in 2009. So all my tickets up until this year, which was a paperless ticket. So I don't have tickets from that. You can buy one, but I'm not going to spend even more money. It's like Apple taking away the charger and saying, oh, but you know, we're trying to save the environment. No, you're not. You're trying to make us buy more stuff, really, because when you buy something off Amazon, it comes in even bigger packaging, which is whatever. What are you fucking whining about? Yeah, so there are all my tickets from over the years. All my wristbands. This one being my favourite. When I bought my 2010 t-shirt on eBay, the person who sold it to me actually put in the wristband, which I thought was fucking very nice of them, because it was my favourite wristband, so I have 2 of them. So that was well worth the price of the t-shirt, and it didn't even cost, I think it was like 15 quid, if that. Like, bargain. And yeah, I was as chuffed, if not more chuffed, with getting that than I was the t-shirt for some reason. But there you go. I almost forgot about my Download Festival book. So I took this book with me in 2014, and I just had people sign it and whatever. There's loads of inside quotes and jokes and stuff in here. It's just full of stuff over the years, like people I met and me kind of doing a diary of when I was here. All the lineups are here from every year that I've been. I haven't made one this year, I don't think. I've printed one off for this year yet, but I will. It was meant to be the last year I took the book, and I put it on Facebook, and it got a lot of attention, so I thought, oh, ideal, I'll carry the book around with me everywhere. But I think 2 people stopped me to sign it, and that was about it. So yeah, it's still quite a lot of the book empty. Well, this is empty. Maybe I'll just take these pages out and have people fill them in anyway. I don't know. But yeah, scrapbook. If you're sentimental, then I recommend you do this. It's a nice like icebreaker while you're talking to people. You just give them the book and take a bunch of Sharpies with you, and get them to fill in the book while you're talking to them. It's a nice icebreaker, and it gives you something to remember them by. Just remembered, I got this from this year's download. This from Download 2010, which I still wear quite often. What else? I believe that's it. So that's all my Download Festival stuff. If you've done a video like this, put a link underneath, because I'd like to see what other people have got, and like memorabilia and stuff from over the years. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this stupid showing off all my stuff thing. Again, if you got one, or if you want to see like more stupid, that video I did yesterday, fucking hell. I was under the influence of some chocolates that I made, let's put it that way. Yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at Download Festival in 2023.